Ruh Roh roars. Listen to this. That doesn't sound good. I think it's coming from that gearbox right there and going through to the impeller. Look at how that chain's bouncing around. That's telling me that there's some vibration in the shaft right there. Right there. Let me rub it up. That does not sound good. That's coming from the gearbox somewhere in here. Not that drive, not the U-joint. I was hoping it was going to be the U-joint, but it sure doesn't seem like that. All right. I think I have a repair on my hands.